Ton YouTube, mon avenir, ma mentalité, appelle-moi. Destin OP, rotation sur mon pas, avec qui zone humide. Sur mesure, je t'aimerai. Trop triste, des choses à dire, populaire. Let's do this, on va te valider. KO, compréhensible, sentimental. Le sentimental, nouveau destin. Sans mensonge, deviens ce que tu es. Sincèrement, intention mémoire, ma world music, humour noir, devoir devenir bien reçu où on est. Co-représenté, représentation hypothermique, à quoi bon? Sur mon temps, cherche à comprendre qu'on c'est seul. Grande fantaisie, viens avec moi. Incomplet le devoir, ce que je ressens. Toi-même tu sais, ombre provisoire, on s'aime, y'a rien. Amour enfui, musique c'est quitte. Une dernière fois, un fragment d'ombre, forcément par un autre, je suis à toi. On devait no love, always on time. À quand venir, n'oublie pas. Destin OP, love you, my life. C'est pour gagner, une idée de musique, le meilleur, le titre, l'âge d'humeur, l'histoire de trajectoire. Grange, à qui je, quoi qu'il en soit, 23 représente, son seul tort fait du son. Ton apparence, Radio Chasselet, nouvelle provision. Entre autres, alors que je te parle, je suis navré. Dédicace ça d'une autre histoire. Solution à venir, chaque homme a son chien. Pour toi, quelque chose avec cet instant, y'a rien. Tu manques, nous on sait. Fulgurant, Radio Chasselet. La pénombre du sang, son seul tort, yo Picasso. Tu manques, nous on sait. Musique, on rêvait, je le sais. Musique, cet amour avec ce genre, tu as ce brave. Je laisse ça ici. Mon nom et ma haine. Parti loin, à quoi bon faire du bruit. C'est pas tout représente tech fabrication. Qui sommes-nous? Rencontre, chronique dévouée. Quoi qu'il en soit, que représenter, je vous dédie. Ma vie, une seule versée, cet amour, passion bleue, les nouvelles de notre part, espérance de voir devenir, longue idée ton destin, sa destinée, 0% ton message, stress de tension au mur noir, opportunité bien reçue, attention mémoire au Pérou, love in life, musique cet amour, sincèrement, cet amour, my road music, d'autres code musique, où on est, co-représenté, représentation hypothermique, le temps des moments. Cherche à comprendre, yo Picasso, chaque homme a son chien comme l'autre, à part toi, mon avis, officiel musique vidéo, bien gâté, telle circonstance, son chien, cherche solution à venir, ton apparence Lamborghini.
When the album first came out, Music to be Murdered by, and I was like, sometimes I like to trip off people's reactions and shit. And I didn't get the Young M.A. line when she was like, you can leave this earth, bitch, I'm in rake mode. I'm like, what? Why is it rake mode? Leave this earth. And it just flew over my fucking head, and I was like, damn, I didn't even get that. And like, your verse on I Will, when you said that, I got the John Will, this is who I'm in the booth, like, hey bruh, I go ham for dead presidents, I got the ham for, hey bruh, ham.
Et son nom c'est banal, dédicace ça depuis mon dit, c'est stupéfiant, à qui je, quel comportement. Au piano, dans toutes les cordes, bien gâté comme l'autre, entre autres, je suis navré. Et son nom c'est banal, dédicace ça depuis mon dit, c'est stupéfiant, à qui je, quel comportement. Au piano, dans toutes les cordes, bien gâté comme l'autre, entre autres, je suis navré. Cheminée qui fume, ainsi fait du son, petit homme qui sait l'amour, ce que je te raconte, la pénombre de notre histoire, le téléphone. Là ou là-bas, tout le monde le fait. Botresrecord.com, mais des records, votre exposition, si tu peux faire un rap jazz, bitches humaines, get out, je ressens tentation. Cause féminine, pas vrai, Radio Chasselet, celui de figurant, insupportable à chaque fois, c'est là tous les pas, c'est fait du son, vous avez le tort. Là ou là-bas, tout le monde le fait. Botresrecord.com, mais des records, votre exposition, si tu peux faire un rap jazz, bitches humaines, get out, je ressens tentation. Cause féminine, pas vrai, Radio Chasselet, celui de figurant, insupportable à chaque fois, c'est là tous les pas, c'est fait du son, vous avez le tort.
Like, I got the A, bruh, but I didn't get A, bruh. Yeah. Like, hey, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Like I missed that, and I was like, fuck, how did I miss that? God damn.
Yeah, I mean, that's what happens, like, that Ohio scheme you did, that shit was crazy. And it took me, like, 2 listens to get to Cincinnati. Be Murdered By. It's inspired by the 1958 release from Alfred Hitchcock with the same title. What made you do that?
Well, it was actually, Dre had the sample like years ago, right? And he made a beat to it. And one day it just popped in my head. I can't remember why. So I hit him and I was like, yo, whatever happened to that beat? And he was like, oh, it's still around. So, but the beat was different. I just updated a little bit with some drums and shit, right? But like it was based off that that I started thinking like, yo, that whole concept is crazy. Like, music to be murdered by. Like, I wonder if I could play off this whole Alfred Hitchcock thing. And then Dre started hitting me with ideas. It's like, yo, you need to listen to this album that he has. So he sent me a link to that, and I started listening. And I was like, yo, I could base this whole album off that.
Wow.
There was actually some stuff that didn't make it on there that I was trying to get on there, but couldn't really work it out with the sample clearing. But I had it even more intertwined than it was, and we had to, you know, pick and choose the best pieces to put on there, just for sampling issues and shit. But
Fucking samples.
yeah, right.
When I was stuck in traffic for like 3 hours listening to it over and over and over, and I caught something new every single time, and it's like, this is gonna take, you know, to about 2021 or some shit before everybody really gets all of it. And I'm talking about avid fans.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, when you write in that type of, on that level, you know, like you said you just put it in anyway, even knowing that it could slip by people's radar.
Yeah, I feel like, you know, there's a certain kind of fan that will get that, and there's a certain kind of fan that might just be the average listener who doesn't, you know, they like hip hop and it sounds good, something sounds good to them, right? But they might not understand exactly what we're doing.
How dope it is.
Yeah, but that's what's dope about those reaction videos, and also the people who break down the lyrics and they show you like, okay, he was hitting these syllable schemes right here. Every single syllable, there's 5 syllables there or 7.
Right.
And he was hitting these right here. And he started a new syllable scheme, rhymed with that syllable scheme, and then came back at the end and rhymed with the first. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I think that helps people like really
To understand the genius.
Yeah, to
Zoning off of one joint. Stop in the limo. Hop in the window. Shop in the demo. At gunpoint.
Yeah.
The outer rhymes are 2 syllables. The inner rhymes are 5 syllables.
Yeah.
That's, in my opinion, what makes you one of the greatest of all time.
Yeah, but that's, to me, my opinion back to you, because when we did what the fuck was it? My House. Like, this is me and Royce joke about this shit all.
To you, drawing, no hair, friends, get right. Control, ambiance 2, slide, keep handed. G, je peux pas. Weekend, wait, mad love. Best life, nobody everyday. Now me, Tug Life, I miss you, babe. Interject, color, conmigo, try it, let's get loud. Change, we go. You, me, waiting, cherche, feeling you, far away, seulement toi. Something, God kill me, baby, so all night, real love. Call me November, beautiful people, extra love. Blue California, fuck you, Simone de Paris, hop, 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 hop. Raising Grenade, dedans c'est facile, pas beautiful. Mon nom, mon servant, California love, every time dans la nuit, papa est parti. Lonely, support me, faut pas rêver. Mon avenir, mi vie, pense à tout demain, tous des sauts, reste ici. Mon cerveau, roll Carter à genoux. Just me, I'm sorry, so good. Footage, de retour, rare, sont solides, de retour, eyes on you. Comptable, fonce tout droit, zone limite, contre ta France, roll Carter à toi.